Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute to show you how you go to the library to search books related to the topic of your choice. So remember, you start on the Upson Lee Middle School homepage, you hover over Students, and you click on Books Available in the Media Center. We are in the middle school, so click on Upson Lee Middle School. So let's pretend that my topic is mythology. I'm going to search mythology, click on keyword. Remember that the books that show a call number with a decimal are nonfiction. These three letters right here show the first three letters of the last name of the author. So I'm going to scroll down because the first requirement is it has to be fiction. So in order to go to the next page, go all the way to the bottom and it will show all of your results. So I'm going to keep scrolling until I get an F. If you notice right here across the bottom, it will show you your level. You need to choose a book that is on your level between 4th grade, 5th grade, and 6th grade. If you're higher than 6th grade, of course you can go higher. Now, this is grade level 6.2, so that is perfect. So this is call number with an F. That means it's fiction. Remember that K-I-N are the first three letters of the last name. So the author of this book is Patrice Kendall. If I wanted to see details to see what this book was about, I'd click on details. And then right here it gives me a 1 to 2 sentence summary about this book. And it tells me if this book is something that I'm interested in. If it's not, then I need to go back up to the top and hit search results. Don't hit the back button, hit search results, and it will take you back to the list that you had in the first place. So I'm going to go to another page and find me one that looks interesting. So here's one called The Lost Hero. My call number has an F. I know it's fiction. My author is Rick Riordan. That's what the first three letters mean. The grade level is 4.5. That's acceptable. Here's my Lexile if I'm interested to see if it's on my level. You will get your Lexile level soon. Click on details to see if it's something I'm interested in. Read the 1 to 2 sentence summary. If it is, write this book down and remember it so that you can go to the library and find it. You need to know the author and the title in order to find it in the library.